The question is 3-methyl pentoene on reaction with HBr in presence of peroxide forms an additional product. The number of possible stereoisomers for the product is. Now its solution. The structure for 3-methyl pentoene is this. Here is the double bond. When it is reacted with HBr, then the double bond will be opened. Here will be the charge. Br will be connected with this carbon atom, and hydrogen will be connected with this carbon atom. Since the product contains two chiral centers and it's unsymmetrical, so total number of stereoisomers will be 2 to the power n, because there are two and n is the two chiral centers, which will be 4. So the answer is option 2.